Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see counting elements of set, or you can say finite and infinite sets for year 9 and year 10 students. Let's get started. Counting elements of sets, finite and infinite sets. The number of elements in the set A is written as n of A. N is what? N is number of elements in the set A. Example, the set A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21. This is your set, which is a countable set. You can count the numbers. Has dash elements is called a finite set. This set has how many elements? Can we count the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 elements inside it. Let's write down the answer here as 6 elements. As it has 6 elements, you can easily count it. This is why it is called a finite set. A set which has a finite number of elements is called a finite set. For example, the set of all positive integers, you are supposing the set like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, does not have a largest element but rather keeps on going forever. This is uncountable sets. You can't count it how many numbers are inside this. This is called an infinite set. Infinite sets are those sets which you can't count the numbers inside it. A set which has infinite number of elements is called an infinite set. Let's see something more here. The sets n natural numbers, z integers, z plus positive integers, z minus negative integers, q rational number and r the real numbers are all infinite sets. These are all the sets which are uncountable. Let's see one example here. List all the elements if possible of each of the following sets, also mentioned as a finite or infinite set. Let's see some examples here. The set A of positive integers less than 12. Can we write down all the answers? What are the numbers will come inside this set? I have to write down the positive integers less than 12. This set will include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Less than 12, that means 12 is not included. So it will stop at 11. Can you count these numbers? Yes, it is countable, right? I can count it. So this will be a finite set. This is a finite set. Let's see the second example here. Be the set of prime numbers less than 12. We have to write down the prime numbers less than 12. Is 1 a prime number? No, right? 1 is not a prime number. Let's write down the elements in the set. It will be 2 is a prime number. Next prime number is 3. Next prime number is 5. Next prime number is 7. Next prime number is 11. This is my finite set. I can count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements inside the set. This is also a finite set. Let's see third example here. See the set of positive integers which are also multiples of 3. I have to write down the positive integers multiples of 3. That means I have to write down 3 times table. 3 times tables is first is 3. Let's write down the number 3. After that 6. After that 9. After that 12 and so on. This set is unending. You can keep going the multiples of 3 and write down. This set is infinite set. Let's write down the answer as infinite set. Let's see the fourth question here. D, the set of integers x defined by x greater than minus 3 less than 6. I have to write down the numbers in between this. As you can see that minus 3 is not included. I have to write down the answer which are greater than minus 2 and less than 6. 6 is also not included. I can't include this in my answer. Let's write down the number of elements in the set. It will be minus 2 greater than minus 3, then minus 1, then 0. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I can't include 6 because 6 is not included. This is a finite set. I can count the numbers. Let's write down the answer as finite set. Let's see what are null sets. Null sets. A set without a single element is a null set. If you have the set with no elements inside it, that is called a null set. The symbol of the null set is phi. This is read as phi. This is written as either the empty brackets with the middle brackets, or you can write on the middle brackets with the phi inside it. This is also a finite set, that there are 0 elements inside it. So phi is a finite set. What is phi? Phi is a null set. The number of elements in null sets are, number of elements in phi is 0. Let's see one example here. P, the set of days in a week which starts with the letter A. Is there any day of the week which starts with the letter A? Let's see the days of the week. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. None of the days starts with the letter A. In this set, the set is empty set. Let's denote the empty set here. Either you should denote it with the brackets empty, or you can set phi, or you can write the set phi inside it. This is your empty set. Let's see one more example here. Q, the set of positive integers which are both even and odd. Any positive integer is either even or odd. Integers are negative numbers also and positive numbers also. So it should be either even or odd. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, any number. They are either even or odd. None of the numbers are there which are both even and odd. That means this set is also an empty set. Let's write down the answer as empty set phi. That will be my answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.